ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube thumbnail. The YouTube thumbnail is something that you see when you are pretty much pulling up a video to look something like this. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to download the PHONTO app. And also you want to have the PicsArt app. So before you do anything, please go and download those apps. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to PHONTO and we're going to hit the camera icon, and then we're going to do plain image. Okay, so you can select the black background option, and we're going to adjust the length and width. So where you see the 2048 by 2048, you're going to click on that and you're going to do custom. So anytime you do a thumb size picture, the width has to be 1280 and the height needs to be 720. You're going to click done. And so you see at the top it says 1280 by 720. So we're going to save that by clicking the icon at the top right corner. Or you can actually do use and save. So we're going to do use and save. Okay, so now you should be at this step. So you're going to click on the bottom left here and you want to do add image. So I'm just going to show you just a quick example. I'm not really going to be, doing one. I just want to show you. So let's say for an example, if I wanted to use this photo right here, I'm going to click on done. Okay, so at this point you should have a photo like that. I like to do the split pic, so we're going to do add image, and I'm going to go and select the same exact picture. So you should have two, or you can do just one, but I like to do my split pictures. So I'm going to click on this, I'm going to hit size, and then I'm just pretty much going to size it up with the black background. So I'm going to adjust the height, drag it down until you don't see any more of the black background, pretty much. Okay, so just a little bit more. I need to okay, so that's done. So now we're going to do this side. Just a little bit more on the height and the width. Okay, so this one I need to and then okay, so that's good enough. I just wanted to show show y'all an example. So we're going to tap on the bottom right icon, and then we're going to do save image. Okay, so it's saved. So then we're going to go, no, I don't want to buy any shoes right now. Okay, so then we're going to go to our home screen and the PicsArt app. We're going to open that. And I was working on the old one, so I'll do cancel and discard. Okay, so now that we're at a fresh start, you're going to hit the plus icon the purple and blue, purple, I said blue, blurple, whatever, at the bottom. So we're going to click on that same image that we just created with the Phonto app. So we're going to, at the bottom, you're going to scroll to the left and click on text. And you can say, let's say, hair bun for 4B hair. Okay, so as you can see, that puts the text on your thumbnail, and then you can click on that, and then you can change the color to whatever color you want. You can also change your text to the color or however style you like. You can do that. So right now we're gonna go with this one just to show y'all, and you can adjust it if you want it tilted a little bit, and if you want a background behind that, you can do that by clicking on stroke, and you can choose the depth that you want. Okay, and then if you want to add more text, you can do that, because this pretty much grabs your viewers. So if you have a pretty good thumbnail, this will allow your users to, gravitate towards your video. Okay, so now that that's done, you want to do apply, and then you're going to do next, and then we want to save, and then it's going to say save picture on your device. And that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching.